So another important energy and wavelength of emitted radiation. So here let us consider this is a N2 energy level, this is a N1 energy level. Here the electron higher energy level to the lower energy level. Here photon emitted, and here the energy also here releasing energy. This energy delta E is equal to En2 minus En1. That should be is equal to Hc by lambda. That should be equal H into mu. Already we know the previous cases. So here energy is equal to, here the energy to changing energy is equal to E1 minus En2 minus En1. So En2 nothing but minus 13.6 Z square divided by here the level here the Z square divided by N2 square. So minus of minus 13.6 Z square divided by N1 square, general formula, Z square divided by N1 square. This is a general formula. So here the delta E is equal to minus 13 plus 13.6 Z square. You may take out common. Here the 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Here for a hydrogen, for a hydrogen atom, 13.6 Z square we called here, it is ionization energy. This value we called here is this value is its ionization energy. This ionization energy, another name ionization potential. Denoted by letter IP. That's why here the changing energy is equal to IP into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. This is the energy. Now I am going to find here the wavelength. So from this one, lambda is equal to Hc by changing energy. That value should be is equal to so H value Planck constant 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34, and C value you may substitute 3 into 10 to the power of plus 8, and here this value you may substitute here 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by delta E. You may convert into in electron volt. It means multiply into 1.6 in 10 to the power of minus 19. After simplification, this value Hc by delta E should be is equal to here the 12431, here the angstroms divided by delta E in terms of electron volt. So over from this one, delta E should be is equal to 431 divided by lambda in angstroms. This one is nothing but electron volt. This value in terms of electron volt you may remember. So you may this value also you may remember. This value and this value very important. Very important. Another important one, Rydberg formula for wavelength of emitted radiation. When an electron makes a transition, when an electron makes a transition from n2 to n1 case, n2 to n1. Photon energy delta E is equal to En2 minus En1. So this delta E is equal to, here the, you may write here the delta E is equal to En2 minus En1. So here the delta E is equal to 13.6 Z square, take out common, 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Here this value should be is equal to Hc by lambda. From this one, here the 1 by lambda is equal to 13.6 Z square by Hc into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square, 1 by N2 square. This value constant, so 1 by lambda is equal to R into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Here 1 by N1 nothing but here the wave number mu bar. So mu bar nothing but number of waves per unit length. So here the mu bar we called here. Here the mu bar we called here wave number. So here this wave number statement, here the wave number statement. So here, so number of waves per wavelength. So unit length, number of waves per unit this wavelength. So here the R is called red bar constant. That value should be is equal to 13.6 E divided by Hc. Here this value approximately 100967 per meter cube. This value approximately 10 to the power of 4 plus here the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 per meter. This is approximately Rydberg constant value. This R is called here Rydberg constant. Another important topic, hydrogen spectrum. This is a very important topic. Here the very important topic. So here I would like to take hydrogen gas is a excited state. Hydrogen gas is excited state. It means electron higher to lower. So here different. So here possibility is there. So maximum or minimum that number of here the number of radiation. So here number of here the radiation and emitted by hydrogen gas. Here the radiation emitted by hydrogen gas. So this radiation emitted by hydrogen gas pass through one device. That device we call here spectrometer. So here the wavelength allowed to incident on one photographic plate. So here the one photographic plate. So here the incident like this. So here the incident. This is a photographic plate. So here the energy levels. These all are energy level. So here the energy level will upper to lower. This hydrogen spectrum. So whenever this hydrogen spectrum higher to lower, here the lambda value decreasing, this wavelength value decreases. Here the wavelength, this wavelength moving and are allowed to incident on a photographic plate. this hydrogen spectrum occur here. So one by one here hydrogen spectrum in spectral series we are going to discuss next sheet.